Hello, this is going to be an unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD 11 Max tablet. It's their newest, fanciest tablet. Here's the box. I think this is the front. Honestly, not sure, but get right into it. There's Amazon has this way of making you like peel open the box rather than just cutting tape like normal. So, sorry for that. But it's the real experience, I guess. The real messy experience. I try not to destroy the box when I open it, but it's difficult. As you can tell. Alright. Well, it's open. See what we got in here. Actually, there might be something else. Well, let's see. There's room for something else in the box, but is there? No, nothing else in there. So I'm guessing in this part is the power cable. And is there a charger? Let's find out. Yeah, there's actually a charger, so that's good. And what is this? Oh. I guess this thing has a SIM tray? Didn't realize that. I mean a SD card slot, because I got a SIM removal tool. Put this stuff to the side. There's the tablet itself. Okay, so wow, feels nice for an Amazon tablet. It's metal. It has a camera in the corner. So I'm holding it screen towards me, and on the back, the top right, is where the camera lens is. There's a bit of a camera bump that sticks out. The edges are pretty flat. The corners are rounded, but the actual edges are flat, so I like the shape of it. See, along the right side, it seems like there's a power button. Actually, not sure what the button is, but there are some buttons on the right side above the USB-C port. Okay, I think, let's see, there seems to be speakers on the top, which I like because your hands don't block them. Seems to also be speakers along the bottom. And I'm not sure what else is down here. Oh, it must be like connectors for the keyboard or something. So yeah, let's turn it on and see what happens. I'm assuming the top one is the power button. Yep. Now this hopefully is going to be a very quick setup, because I checked the box when I ordered it on Amazon saying basically already have it ready to be connected to my account, so that might make things easier. There's something on here. Don't know if it's ready or not. I'm gonna triple press the power. Triple press the power and see what happens.
Swipe left or right with one finger to select language.
Desliza el dedo hacia la izquierda o la derecha para seleccionar el idioma.
Maybe I'm holding it the wrong way. Let's see.
Exit voice view. Dubbed English. Hispanic English. Double tap to activate.
Okay, so it seems like it's.
Left or right with one finger to select a dialect for English. Swipe left with two fingers to choose a different language.
Desliza dos dedos hacia la izquierda para seleccionar otro idioma.
So it's not going to sound like this forever,
United
but.
States. Exit voice view. United States. Double tap to confirm India. Double tap to confirm New Zealand. South Africa. New Zealand. India. Australia. Canada. United Kingdom. United States. Double tap proceeding using United States.
Voice View ready. Basic gestures lesson. Welcome to the Voice View tutorial. When Voice View is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what's under your finger. After touching an item to select it, double tap anywhere on the screen to activate it. The tutorial is organized into lessons such as basic gestures, text entry, and advanced gestures. This is the basic gestures lesson.
Let's see if I can skip it somehow.
Basic gesture, exit, button.
Yeah.
Bienvenue, English, United States, United States. English, United Kingdom. English, Canada, German. English, United States, United States. Japanese, Japan. Portuguese, Japanese, French.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing.
German. English, Canada. English, United Kingdom. English, United States, United States.
Okay.
Double tap to activate.
I tried that. Now what?
English, United Kingdom. English, United States, Continue, button.
Maybe it's selected even though it's not saying.
Connecting to network. Registering. Just a second. Ready for setup. Switch accounts. By tapping continue or sign in, you agree to Amazon's View Amazon's Continue button.
Let's see
View
if it
by
has.
switch accounts. Your device has been connected to Nymeria using the Wi-Fi credentials you previously saved to Amazon and is ready for setup.
Okay, so.
Hi, John M. Dyer.
Yeah, so it's already even connected to my Wi-Fi. It already knew all my
Your
information.
device switch by View Amazon Continue button. Just as Meet Your Fire tablet. Discover Alexa hands-free and more. Double tap to activate. Play the video button. Meet Your Fire. Play the video.
There's no don't play the video button.
Meet Your Fire tablet. Discover Alexa hands-free and more. Play the video. 0 o'clock slash 112.
Apps,
Double tap the skip
games,
button.
books, and videos.
Skip.
Fire options. Enable location services. About location. Autosave photos. Continue button.
Just didn't continue.
Just as update your Fire now. There's a 379 megabytes.
Sure, let's update.
Update now button. Update now button. Installing updates. Please wait.
Okay, so we're back in. It took between 5 to 10 minutes to update, and it asked me to select my profile, and now I'm at the point where I set up my screen lock.
Pen, radio button, not checked. Fingerprint, radio button, checked. 1 of 3.
So I'm gonna try this fingerprint
Double
out.
tap, pen, password, back, button, continue, button. Passcode, set screen lock pin or password, pen, radio button, checked. 1 of 2. Password, new pen, Enter pin. Edit. English. Please choose a voice view typing style. You can change this later in voice view settings. Standard, double tap, or tap with second finger to type a key. Checkbox checked.
Okay, so
Double tap to activate.
it's giving me the option the first time I type, which I like.
Touch, lift finger to type a key. Checkbox not checked. Double tap to
That's the one I want.
checked. Cancel button. Touch standard, double tap or tap. Please choose a cancel. Okay button. Passcode. Set screen lock pin or password. Enter pin. Edit is editing. Unlock with your fingerprint. Fingerprint ID enables you to quickly unlock your Fire tablet and verify yourself in apps. Your fingerprint data remains on your device, can be deleted at any time through settings, and will not be stored if you do not complete enrollment. You can also enroll multiple fingerprints and additional user profiles in settings. By tapping Agree and Continue, you agree and continue. Fingerprint enrollment, set up later, button. To begin, lightly touch the power button sensor.
Alright, which finger?
6%. Lift your finger, then touch the sensor again. Slightly change your finger's position between scans. Lift your finger, then touch the sensor again. Lift your finger, then touch the sensor again. Scan the edges of your finger. Scan the tip of your fingerprint enrollment. Add another button. To make it easy, continue button. Goodreads, not now button.
Yeah, not now.
Just a second. Kindle Unlimited graphic. Enjoy Unlimited 3-month. Start your free. No thanks button.
No thanks.
Just a second. Header image graphic. abcmouse.com. Early learning by age of learning. ABC Mouse. 1 month. No thanks link.
They're trying to sell me things.
Just a second. Header image.
Very
graphic.
Amazon of them.
Microsoft 300 by Microsoft. Get more 3-month. No thanks link. WebView.
It feels very responsive for a Fire tablet. Let's see, what do we have here?
Get started. Add recommended movies to your watch. Get started. Enjoy book. Add Never Lie. An addictive cycle. The middle. Journey to Star Wars. Not now button. Just a second. Get started. Get apps and games for free. Select all button. Zoom. One platform to get started.
Where's the skip button?
Continue button disabled. Select at least one item from the grid above.
Okay, so it's making me select at least one app. Let's
Get
see.
started. Penny and Flow. Zoom. Channels TV. Pinterest. Max. Instagram. Max.
I'll just get Max. I double tapped it.
Max.
See if it did anything.
Get started. Get started.
Now let's see if it lets me.
Get started. Continue button. Double tap to activate.
Okay, here we go. It's just not telling me whether it's selected or not.
App permissions and details. Sold by Amazon Digital Service. Max. Learn more. See all terms of use. Back. Download. Back. App permissions and back. App permission. Mac. Learn more. See terms of back. Download. Device unlocked. Alexa tutorial.
Can we skip this?
Continue button. Customize hands-free in settings. Customize hands-free. The wake word. Alexa, turn hands-free off in quick actions or in settings. You can still press Alexa settings link. VoiceView newsletter. Thank you for using VoiceView. We want to keep you updated about new accessibility features, provide tips, and request feedback. To subscribe to our monthly email, the subscription page will open in the Silk browser, and the submit button will automatically gain focus. Open subscription page button. Cancel button.
It's nice, but no thanks.
Alexa settings link.
So I'm going to turn this off because I know I don't want to use
Alexa,
it.
navigate up button. Alexa, switch checked. Press the
See?
home button to access Alexa on your Fire tablet. You can also enable Alexa. Tap to Alexa. Learn more lane. Restrict access. Hands-free mode. Talk. Show mode. Device. Hands-free mode. Talk to Alexa without pressing the home button.
No.
Switch. Hands-free mode. Switch. Checked.
Nothing.
Not checked.
There we go. Let's see if the back gesture works.
Alexa. Hands-free mode. Talk to Alexa without pressing the home.
So I think this has the same back gesture as TalkBack.
Alexa settings link. Replay button. Finish. Device. Finish button.
Alright, I think we're finally
Don't
done.
tap here to view and control your connected devices. Got it. Button.
Got it. That's just the unboxing and setup of the new-ish tablet. It seems pretty nice. Let me try the fingerprint sensor.
Device locked.
Make sure it works.
9:03 a.m. Backup pad. Pin edit boxes editing. Enter pin or password. Device unlocked. Show mode. Home screen. Display.
Okay,
Device.
seems to have
home
worked.
Button.
Alright.
Device locked. 9:03 a.m. Backup pad. Signed in. Device locked.
As you can see, I got the cheaper version with ads on the lock screen, so. Alright. Now I'm done.